Good morning to all. I welcome all of you to our biology class. Last days we learned about different types of nervous system and the importance of nervous system in our life. We know that nervous system controls and coordinates all of our life activities. Then we want to keep it very healthy. So, and now we are going to study about some disorders of nervous system or defects in the nervous system. These are some diseases and we are going to learn about it. There are 5 diseases related to nervous system is there in your textbook. You want to learn this. They are, first one is rabies, second one autism, third one Alzheimer's, fourth one Parkinson's, and fifth one is epilepsy. First one is rabies. We know the Malayalam of this rabies, Pevishavada. All are thinking that this disease by the bite of dogs only, but that is wrong. This main cause for this rabies is the bite of wild animals like dog, cat, rabbit, bat, etc. Okay. Then one virus called this Rhabda virus. This Rhabda virus is the causative organism of this disease. When this Rhabda virus reaches in the blood, we know that when the bite of the dog in your skin, what happens? Blood comes out, and this blood of your body and blood of this animal mixes, and Rhabda virus reaches in your blood, and it reaches near the nerve endings, and through the nerve endings it reaches in the spinal cord and brain. When it reaches in our body, it starts to multiply in number and it affects our brain. Then it takes the control of our brain, and you cannot control what is happening around, or it affects your brain. Then so this is a nervous disorder. Other name of this rabies is hydrophobia. Hydro means something related with the water, and phobia means fear. When this Rhabda virus reaches in one's body, they are afraid of this water or light, and they cannot drink water, but they want to drink, but they cannot drink. Some problems are coming like that. Then next is autism. Doctors and parents can identify this autism from the behavior of a child. This is identified in the childhood of a child. Before 2 years, they can identify from the behavior of the child. This child like to play with their doll, or what he likes is doing that only. He don't want to talk with others or communicate with the others. Then some problems coming in their communication. It may be verbal or non-verbal. Okay, they don't want to talk with the others, or they cannot communicate with the others. These are the main symptoms of disease. And we know that cerebrum, one part of the brain that controls the or evokes sensation of our body. Then some minute problems in the cerebrum or brain led to this disease, and this is genetic disorder. These are coming from the parents, and sometimes other environmental factors also causes for autism. There is no treatment for this disease. Next we are going to study about another nerval disorder, that is Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's in Malayalam Maravi Rogam. You know that one film is there, Tanmatra, in that Mohanlal, one actor as he is suffering from this disease, Alzheimer's, Maravi Rogam. He cannot remember anything, what is happening in his surrounding, and what is his name, where is his house, he don't know. He don't know what is what are this, and this is loss of memory. Then loss of memory is the main symptom of Alzheimer's disease. And now we are going to see what is the cause or reason for this disease. Accumulation of one insoluble protein makes some plaques in the nerve tissue in your brain, and later this led to the degeneration or destruction of nerve tissues. Then this is the main cause of Alzheimer's disease, accumulation of insoluble protein, and causes makes some plaques in the brain, and this led to degeneration. In normal case, it is coming in the old age, that means after 60 years. Nowadays it is coming in the young one also. Then this due to some food habits, new fast food and all. Now we are going to see another disease that affect our nervous system, that is Parkinson's disease. The main symptom of this Parkinson is the tremors of your body. You cannot balance your body, that means loss of balance, and this is the main cause, tremor. Viral Rogam. In Parkinson, viral Rogam, then we cannot balance, you cannot walk, and you can some changes are there in facial expression also, and sometimes some discharge coming from mouth. These are the main symptoms of this disease, Parkinson's. And now we are going to see what is the cause of this Parkinson disease. Production of dopamine in the nerve of brain decreases. We know that dopamine is a neurotransmitter. This neurotransmitter helps to communicate with the adjacent neuron or gland cell or muscle cell. Then only these impulses or messages will pass through the nerves. In this case, this is the production of this dopamine neurotransmitter decreases. This also led to the degeneration of ganglia or nerve tissue in the brain. Then main cause for this Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease is the degeneration of neurons. And next one is epilepsy, Apasmara Rogam. We know that what are the symptoms of these patients that are suffering from epilepsy. That means sometimes they kind of fits will come in their body, fits. That means muscle contraction, that is uncontrollable muscle contraction is the main symptom. And another symptom is there, that is the frothy discharge from the mouth. That means norayum podayum variga, and the frothy discharge from the mouth, and clenching of this teeth, sometimes biting in their own tongue. These are the symptoms. As a result, they falls unconscious. These are the main symptoms of epilepsy. Now we are going to see what is the main cause for this disease, epilepsy. That means uncontrollable and uncontrollable flow of electric signals in the brain. These are not rhythmic also, not rhythmic and uncontrollable flow of these electric signals in the brain. That is the main cause for the disease epilepsy. Then now we are going to conclude our lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. All of you learn it well, and you can ask doubt. You can call me. Thank you. Have a nice day.